Peseudemonas Malthopilia. Peseudemonas Malthopilia is a species normally inhabits soil, water, and vegetation and can be isolated from the skin, throat, and stool of healthy persons. They often colonize hospital food, sinks, taps, mops, and respiratory equipment. Spread is from patient to patient via contact with vomites or by ingestion of contaminated food and water. Peseudemonas Malthopilia has its characteristic. First, gram-negative aerobic bacilli measuring 0.5 to 0.8 by 1.5 to 3. Second, motility is by a single polar flagellum. Third, species are distinguished by biochemical and DNA hybridization tests. Peseudemonads have minimal nutritional requirements, many are capable of using a wide variety of environmental sources for nutrition. P. Aeruginosa often only needs acetate and ammonia as the sources of carbon and nitrogen respectively. Pathogens. Neutropenia in cancer patients and others receiving immunosuppressive drugs contributes to infection. Pseudomonas aeruginosa has several virulence factors, but their roles in pathogenesis are unclear. An alginate is antiphagotic, and most strains isolated produce toxin A, a diphtheria toxin like exotocin. All strains have endotoxin, which is a major virulence factor in bacteremia and septic shock. Control. The spread of Peseudemonas is best controlled by cleaning and disinfecting medical equipment. In burn patients, topical therapy of the burn with antimicrobial agents such as silver sulfadiazine coupled with surgical debridement has markedly reduced sepsis. Antibiotic susceptibility testing of clinical isolates is mandatory because of multiple antibiotic resistance. However, the combination of gentamicin and carbenicillin can be very effective in patients with acute P. aeruginosa infections. Medical importance of Peseudemonas aeruginosa has become an important cause of gram-negative infection, especially in patients with compromised host defense mechanism. It is the most common pathogen isolated from patients who have been hospitalized longer than 1 week, and it is a frequent cause of nosocomial infections. Pseudomial infections are complicated and can be life-threatening. Economic importance of Peseudemonas Malthopilia. The beneficial effect of Peseudemonas touches every corner from the nutrient solubilization, plant growth promotion, biologic control of insect pests and plant pathogens, and degradation of certain organic and inorganic pollutants to bioremediation of heavy metals and pesticides. Worldwide growing concern over environmental pollution and production of pesticide-free organic crops, Peseudemonas strains have a crucial role to play for sustaining crop production and soil health in coming decades. Impact of Peseudemonas Malthopilia into life. Peseudemonas is a type of bacteria that can cause lung infection. It mainly affects people who already have a lung condition or have a problem with their immune system. It doesn't respond to commonly used antibiotics, which means infections can be hard to treat. It can cause human infections called Peseudemonas aeruginosa, which can cause infections in the blood, lungs, or other parts of the body.